they're up. Spring Collection draws for your lead, moving up by the rail is Conqueror's Magic, moving up on the outside. Amazing Mix, Game Changer racing in fourth. Yes, I'm the one, while Windy Hour is in behind them. Past the half mile pole, Spring Collection. Amazing Mix is on the outside. Then racing in third, Conqueror's Magic. Game Changer remains in fourth, moving up by the rail. Yes, I'm the one, and Windy Hour as they race towards the last 450 is Spring Collection running on the outside. Amazing Mix almost has won this time as they turn at the final corner is Spring Collection running by the rail. Amazing Mix is on the outside, then getting closer in third by the rail. Yes, I'm the one, and on the outside Conqueror's Magic. Game Changer with 100 to go. Jesse Basilio Guse on his Spring Collection starts to draw away by 4, and finally Spring Collection 1. Then comes Amazing Mix, Game Changer, Conqueror's Magic, and Win.